let us move to the next class of your maths. Next lesson, fourth lesson, subtraction. Okay. Here you have already studied about subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction is taking away something from a large number. Okay, if there are 10 pencils, you are taking 4, then what is the remaining number of pencils? 10 minus 4, that is 6. Already you are studied in smaller classes, small type of subtraction. So 10 minus 4 is 6. How did you do this? എങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്യുക? You will take 10 fingers, then you will fold. You will take 10 fingers, then you will fold 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers, then remaining fingers are 6. This is the way you are doing now. So let us study more about subtraction. Okay. So you have to remind this. What is subtraction? Subtraction is taking away a few from a large number. Okay. I'm giving some example for simple subtraction. Okay. What is 10 minus 3? 10 minus 3 is 7. What is 9 minus 4? 9 minus 4 is 5. This you know. Okay, you have studied earlier. Here we are going to study the properties of subtraction. We have studied in addition lesson some properties of addition. Like that, subtraction also have properties. What are the properties of subtraction? Properties of subtraction. Okay. First, we are going to study about 0. When you are adding a number with 0, you will get the same number. That means you are not adding anything with that number. Like that, subtraction also have the same property. When you are subtracting from a number 0 from a number, you are getting the same number as the answer. Okay. Because you are not subtracting anything. For example, 5 minus 0 is 5. 10 minus 0 is 10. 25 minus 0 is 25. Okay. So when you are subtracting 0 means you are not subtracting anything and you will get the same number. Some children are there in the class and nobody is going out during the interval. Then what is the number of students in the class? There are 15 students before the bell and they are not going anywhere. What is the number of children now also? 15 itself. Okay. So that means you are subtracting 0. Not going anyone means you are subtracting 0 from that number and you will get the same number as before. മുന്നേ ഏത് നമ്പറാണോ അത് തന്നെയാണ് കിട്ടുക. Okay. Now let us move to the next one. What is the next one? Yes. Addition with 1 you have done. Like that, subtraction with 1 or you are subtracting 1. Okay. Do you remember what did you get while adding in 1 to a number? You will get the next number, no? For example, 4 plus 1, 5. 6 plus 1, 7. 23 plus 1, 24. Like that, here we are subtracting, not adding, we are subtracting 1. When you are adding, you will get the next number. But when you are subtracting, you will get the number before number, predecessor. That is called predecessor. Okay. For example, 5 minus 1 is 4. That means 4 is the predecessor of 5. You will get the number just before the number. When you are subtracting 1 from a number, you will get the number just before the number as answer. Your answer will be the number before the number. അതായത് ആദ്യം എഴുതിയതിൻ്റെ തൊട്ട് പുറകിലുള്ള നമ്പർ. ഓക്കെ, സോ ലെറ്റ് us know what is 10 minus 1. So it's simple, 9. You don't want to take your fingers for this. How to remind this? In your memory should be the that is when you are subtracting 1, you will get the number just before the number. Okay, whenever you are subtracting 1, അതിൻ്റെ തൊട്ട് മുന്നിലുള്ള നമ്പർ ആൻസർ ആയിട്ട് എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. യു ഡോണ്ട് വാണ്ട് ടു സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കേണ്ട കാര്യം. സോ 25 minus 1 is 24. Can you tell some examples? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പറയാവോ? Yes, very good. 12 minus 1, 11. And 15 minus 1, 14. So on going. Okay, like that it will be gone. So is it clear? When you are subtracting 1 from a number, you will get the number just before the number we used. Okay, or when you are subtracting 1 from a number, you will get the predecessor of the number. Okay, then what will be the result when you are subtracting the same number? Okay, when you are subtracting the same number, what will be the result? You have 4 balls. Okay, but when there is a game, you have given it to others because you can't play. So 4 balls you have given. What is the number of balls with you now? It is 0. Why it is 0? Because 4 minus 4 is 0. That means when you are subtracting a number from the same number, you will get the answer as 0. Okay, can you give me some examples? Okay, 20. 20, what you have? Yes, you had 20 sweets. Then, okay, all have eaten by you, your brother, mother, sister, neighbors or friends. So 20 are finished. That means 20 minus 20 is 0. There were 3 flowers on the tree. Okay, on this tree there were 3 flowers, and you have snatched or you have plucked it 3 flowers. What is the number of flowers in the tree now? There are no flowers, so it is 0. That means 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, is it clear? So these are the properties of subtraction. That means you have learned now, when you are subtracting 0 from a number, you will get the same number. When you are subtracting 1 from a number, you will get the predecessor of the number just before the number. And when you are subtracting same number, you will get 0. Okay, you have to check this. Look how cute it is. 4 minus 4 is 0. But 4 minus 0 is 4. 20 minus 20 is 0. 20 minus 0 is 20. 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. So 0 and the number is moving here and there. Okay. So you can connect this. That you will study, you will learn more about this in the higher classes. Okay. Now we can subtract a 1 digit from a 2 digit number. You can subtract a 1 digit from a 2 digit number. Subtracting a single digit from a 2 digit number. I am writing a 2 digit number. Which number I have to write? 23, 24, okay, 22. 2 minus 2. What will be the answer? Ones, tens. Okay. So once you will subtract 3 minus 2, 1. Is there anything to subtract here? No, nothing. So you can simply write this. Okay. You have to this rule you have to follow. That means you have to keep in mind this point. That is, whenever you are subtracting, you have to write the ones place first. It will be wrong if you write like this. 23 minus 2. Somebody will write like this. It should not write, because it is only 2 ones. It is not 2 tens. 2 tens to already 20. So don't write like this. It is ones place. It should come in ones place. Okay. So 23 minus 2 we have learned and we have subtracted. Another one, 23 minus 5. Ones, tens. 23 minus 5. How will you subtract? What is 3 minus 5? Do you know what is 3 minus 5? You have learned it. Okay? You have learned it. You have to borrow. Borrow from the tens place. You have to take 1 from the tens place. So it will be 13 ones. Like in the addition, you have to take. In the addition, we have given it. ഇവിടെ ടെൻസ് വന്നാൽ നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ കൊടുത്തേരും. അതുപോലെ ഇവിടെ ടെൻസ് ഇല്ല, വൺസിൽ അധികം ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക? ബോറോ ചെയ്യാം. ബിക്കോസ് 3 ഈസ് സ്മോളർ ദാൻ 5. 3 ഈസ് സ്മോളർ ദാൻ 5. സോ 13 മൈനസ് 5. വാട്ട് ഈസ് 13 മൈനസ് 5? ഹൗ വിൽ യു സബ്ട്രാക്ട്? എങ്ങനെയാണ് സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യുക? കയ്യിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ കൂട്ടിയിട്ടോ ലൈൻ എഴുതിയിട്ടോ അല്ല. ഡോണ്ട് റൈറ്റ് ലൈക്ക് ദാറ്റ്. യു ഹാവ് ടു keep in mind this number 5, and after 5 how long you have to count to get 13? For after 5, say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much you have counted? 8. You have counted 8. So 13 minus 5 is 8. We have taken 1 ones from here, and here only 1 tens from here. We have taken 1 tens from here, and the remaining 10 is 1 10. 1 10 only is the, so we will get 18 as the answer. Okay. Now subtraction of 2-digit number from a 2-digit number. For example, 23 minus 12. 23 minus 12. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. There's another type, because always you can't subtract like this. Always it should be bigger number if you want to subtract like this. But if it is not a bigger number, what will you do? Next one. 35 minus 16. 35 minus 16. Can you subtract 6 from 5? No, it is not possible. Then what will you do? You will take 1 tens from here. You will take 1 tens from here. Okay? Then it will become 2 tens only. It will become 2 tens only. And this number will become 1 tens and 5 ones. What is the dirty number? 15. Okay, 1 tens and 5 ones. 15. What is 15 minus 6? What is 15 minus 6? After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much you have counted? 9 you have counted. You will get always in your finger the subtracting number, because only between this 0 and 9 you will get the answer. Okay, so 9 is the answer because it is only one digit. One digit എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 9 വരെ ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എപ്പോഴും കയ്യിൽ കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഓക്കെ, 6 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you have counted 9. So here it will be 9. And what is here? 2. 2 tens and 1 ones. 1 tens. 2 tens no 1 tenth goya baki the remaining tens is 1. So that is 19. 35 minus 16 is 19. Okay, is it clear? (46 minus 28). This means 4 tens, 6 ones. 2 tens, 8 ones. Can you subtract 8 from 6? No, you could not. So we are taking 1 tens from here. So it will be 16 ones. It will be 16 ones. And the tens here will be 3 tens. What is 16 minus 8? After this 8, you have to count 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you get 8. Okay, you have counted? Yes. So 16 minus 8 is 8. And what is 3 minus 2? 1. So 1 10 7 8 ones. Okay, this I will write 18. So this is the method of subtraction of any number. Okay, with the carrying or that means borrowing. With borrowing. Okay, that's a number grid from 1 to 100 in your textbook. Okay, so how to add, how to subtract. The numbers in the first row is 1 to 10, then 11 to 20, then 21 to 30, 31 to 40, like that. Okay, if you want to add 3, no, if you want to subtract one number from 35, what will be it? You just move back one number from 35. It is 34. Okay, if you want to add 3 to 35, then you move forward 35. 3 from 35. 35, 36, 37, 38. 36, 37, 38. Okay, if you want to subtract 10 numbers, okay, so if it is 38, the number just before the that column is 28, because 28, 38, 48, like that it is going on. Okay, so every same column you will have same ones. Okay, so you can subtract like this 10 numbers, or you can find 10 numbers before the that number in the previous column. Each and every previous column you can find the numbers which is 10 less than the number. For example, 45 minus 10 is 35. 35 minus 10 is 25. Okay. Now let us know what is the relation between addition and subtraction. linking between addition and subtraction. Let us look at another example. You know, 9 plus 7 is 16. You have to learn that in any order we can write when you are adding. That is 7 plus 9 also is 16. Now there is a miracle or there is a surprise to you, that is you can use this in subtraction in another way. How can you use 16 minus 7? 16 minus 7. You can count and find out. 16 minus 7 is 9. And what will be 16 minus 9? It will be 6. Sorry. It will be 7. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 9 is 7. Okay. So when you are adding two numbers, you will get a result. So if we are subtracting a number from this number, ഇതിൽ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്താൽ നെക്സ്റ്റ് അടുത്ത നമ്പർ കിട്ടും, മറ്റേ നമ്പർ കിട്ടും. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് യു ആർ യൂസിങ് ടു നമ്പേഴ്സ് ടു ആഡ്. ഇഫ് യു സബ്ട്രാക്ട് വൺ ഓഫ് ദ നമ്പർ ഫ്രം ദ റിസൾട്ട്, you will get the second number. Okay, so this example you can it will prove that you can identify or you can see that these two numbers are interconnected. Okay, 9 plus 7 is 16, 7 plus 9 is 16, 16 minus 7 is 9, 16 minus 9 is 7. Now, how to find if somebody have told you that I have four toffees or something, for colors, crayons, and I have some crayons you have given, no, my mother have given me, and now I have 7. What is the number of crayons that your mother have given you? You have 4 crayons. Your mother have given you some crayons, and you get a number as result 7 crayons. Total is 7. So what is the number of crayons that your mother have given? How will you find it? 4 plus a number is equal to 7. How will you find out which is the number? You will subtract 4 from 7. You will subtract 4 from 7. Then what is the number of crayons your mother have given? 3. Okay. This is how to check which number has added to a particular number and the result has given. ഒരു നമ്പറിനോട് ഏത് നമ്പർ ആഡ് ചെയ്തപ്പോഴാണ് നമുക്ക് ഇന്ന നമ്പർ കിട്ടിയത്. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ 13 plus a number is 25. Now what is the number? How will you find out? 25 minus 13 is equal to, and you have to find out the answer like this. Okay, 5 minus 3, 2, 2 minus 1. Answer is 12. Answer is 12. 25 minus 3, 13 is equal to 12. Another one example, that is for checking also your addition correct ആണോ your subtraction correct ആണോ നോക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് you have to use this method. For example, one more example I'll give you. There are 49 crayons and 24 crayons have taken. With your teacher there are 49 crayons were there, and you have used it for coloring while you are drawing class or some maths class. Maths class shading or coloring is there. So you have used this. Somebody has not bring their color crayons. So they have taken. How many taken? 24 crayons taken. There were 49 with the teacher. Okay, there is a box of 49 crayons and there no 24 has taken. Then what is the number of crayons left? How will you find out? 49 minus 24. Twenty-five is the remaining number of the crayons in the box. ഇനി ടീച്ചർ തിരിച്ചു വാങ്ങിച്ചു. അപ്പോൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യുക? ടോട്ടൽ നമ്പർ ഉണ്ടോ നോക്കാൻ. 25 is there. That you need not count. 25 you need not count. After 25, how much you have to get? The teacher have to get 24 have to get. ടീച്ചർക്ക് 24 crayons തിരിച്ചു കിട്ടും. Then what will be the total number? 49. Okay, that is the magic. When you are subtracting a number, you will get another number. These two numbers, when you add, you will get the total number. Okay, so this is the relation between. And how to check? Now, if your answer is wrong, you will not get when you are adding this number. Okay, ഈ നമ്പർ തന്നെ കിട്ടണ്ടേ ഇവിടെ. അപ്പോൾ അത് കിട്ടാൻ നിങ്ങളിത് ശരിയാക്കി ചെയ്താൽ ശരിയാണോ എന്ന് നോക്കാം. ഇഫ് വെദർ യുവർ ആൻസർ ഈസ് കറക്റ്റ്, യു ഹാവ് ടു ചെക്ക് ദാറ്റ്. ദെൻ യു വിൽ ആഡ് ദീസ് ടു നമ്പർ ആൻഡ് യു ഗെറ്റ് ദിസ് ആൻസർ. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് യുവർ ആൻസർ ഈസ് കറക്റ്റ് ഓർ യു ഹാവ് ഡൺ ഇൻ ദ കറക്റ്റ് വേ. നിങ്ങൾ മൈനസ് ചെയ്തത് ശരിയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു മിസ് മാത്സ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, ഒരു സംഭവം തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മൈനസ് ചെയ്തു, തിരക്കിട്ട് ചെയ്തു. ഞാൻ ഒരു കണക്ക് ചെയ്യട്ടെ. Another one. You are in a hurry. Okay, you want to do this fast and you are going out. So I have given a sum for you. 23 minus 12. Okay. 18. 23 minus 18. Okay. Somebody has done like this. Okay. Done like this. And you have to check your answer. ശരിയാണോ എന്ന് നോക്കണം. ശരിയാണോ എന്ന് നോക്കാതെ നിങ്ങൾ പോയി വിചാരിക്കാം. പിന്നെ വന്നിട്ട് നോക്കാം ചെക്ക് ചെയ്ത് ശരിയാണോ. ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് ചെക്ക്. $33. Is your answer is correct? Is your subtraction is correct? No, it is wrong. Why it is wrong? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് തെറ്റിയത്? This is wrong. Why? Because instead of subtracting 8 from 3, നിങ്ങൾ ഏതാ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്ത്? 3 from 8. മുകളിലുള്ള നമ്പറിന് താഴെയുള്ള നമ്പറിൽ നിന്ന് മൈനസ് കിട്ടും. അപ്പോൾ അത് തെറ്റല്ലേ? സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് റോങ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് വൈ യു ആർ നോട്ട് ഗെറ്റിംഗ് 23. What's your answer? 23 അല്ലേ കിട്ടേണ്ടത്? You have got 33. So that means your answer is wrong. Okay. അപ്പോൾ ഈ സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ തെറ്റി. ഇനി ഇതിൻ്റെ കറക്റ്റ് എന്താണെന്ന് നോക്കാം. 23 minus 18. You have to borrow from here. Don't subtract like this. താഴേന്ന് മുകളിലേക്ക് don't subtract. So 13 ones. 13 minus 8. 5. And here only 110. And 110 minus 110. It is 0. There is no meaning here. 13 0. 0 എഴുതിയില്ലല്ലോ, കുഴപ്പമില്ല. So the answer is 5. Now we can check the answers. 18 plus 5. What is 18 plus 5? 3 plus 5, 13, 1 carry over, 1 plus 1, 2. So your answer is correct. Okay, so don't be hurry while doing maths. So that's all for today's class. You have learned what are the things you have learned. Properties of subtraction. When you are subtracting a 0 from a number, you will get the same number. When you are subtracting 1 from a number, you will get the predecessor. And when you are subtracting the same number, you will get 0. And how to subtract 1-digit number, how to subtract 2-digit number, and what is the relation between subtraction and addition. So thank you children.